Hi, my name is Shonda, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to crochet a stress ball. For this project, you will need a crochet hook, a yarn needle, scissors, any stuffing of your choice, safety eyes, and a yarn of choice. We're going to start off with a magic ring. If you need a tutorial on how to make a magic ring, I do have one on my channel. You can go ahead and check that out. In the magic ring, we are going to go ahead and place 6 stitches. When you finish your 6th stitch, pull the tail of the yarn to cinch the magic ring closed. It should look something like this. Now let's begin the first row. I just use a random piece of yarn as a stitch marker. You're going to place that marker in the last stitch that you just created. For the first row, we're going to be placing an increase in each stitch the entire way around. By the end of this row, you should have roughly around 12 stitches in your round. We'll meet back here when the row is finished. The finished row should look a little bit like this. We're going to go ahead and replace our stitch marker in the most recent stitch. Now to begin the second row, we're going to be doing 1 single crochet on the first stitch and then an increase in the 6th stitch. That's the entire way around. We'll be repeating that cycle. Once again, that's 1 single crochet in the first, an increase in the second. I'll finish this one with you, and then we'll meet back here once the round is done. Row 2 finish should look like this. Now we'll begin row 3. Replace your stitch marker. For this row, we'll be doing 2 single crochets in a row and then an increase on that 3rd stitch. I'll do 2 cycles with you and then we'll meet again at the end of the row. After the 3rd row is completed, it should look like this. You're going to have roughly about 24 stitches in your round. We're going to go ahead and replace our stitch marker and prepare for rows 4 through 6. For rows 4 through 6, we're going to place a single crochet in each stitch the entire way around. So it's going to be the same single crochet in each stitch for the next 3 rows. We'll meet again after row 6. After row 6 is completed, just make sure to flip your work right side in. It should look a little something like this. Now we are going to place the safety eyes Usually I like to place my safety eyes in row 4. So I count 3 rows up and then I choose a random stitch. And then I place the second safety eye about 3 stitches away from that first eye. Take a look at it and confirm your placement. And now we're going to go ahead and place the backings on snugly. Now moving on to row 7, you're going to replace your stitch marker. For this row, we'll be doing single crochets in the next 2 stitches and then a decrease combining the 3rd and the 4th stitch. We'll do this the entire way around. I'll do 2 cycles of this with you and then we'll meet again at the end of the row. You're going to go ahead and replace your stitch marker to start the next row. For this row, we're going to have 1 single crochet and then a decrease combining the 2nd and the 3rd stitch. I'll do 2 cycles with you and then we'll meet again at the end of the row. After you finish row 8, it should look a little bit something like this. We're going to go ahead and begin to stuff our work. You're going to take your stuffing of choice and start shaping your ball with your thumbs like so. You can use as little or as much as you need to get your desired firmness. Now moving on to the 9th row, we're going to be doing a decrease in each pair of stitches the entire way around. I'll do 2 cycles with you and then we'll meet again at the end of the row. At the end, you should have about 6 stitches left. At the end of the 9th row, you'll cut about a 6-inch tail from the working yarn. We're going to take our yarn needle and thread that tail through the needle. Now with that threaded needle, insert it through that loop that was originally on your crochet hook and pull through. Now we are going to go around the circle, weaving in and out of each stitch to cinch the circle closed. So to begin, we'll go into the first stitch, that first V, go in with your needle, pull through, and in that next stitch, you're going to go out with your needle and pull through. We're going to repeat that sequence for the next 4 stitches. At the end of the last stitch, pull the work close like so, and your ball should just close up. Now we're going to use the tail and just weave in the ends. You're just going to sew in and out of the ball over and over again. Make sure not to pull too tightly when you're sewing because you might alter the shape of the ball if you do. Once you weave the end in a few times, you can cut the yarn short and use the needle to tuck any end that might still be showing. You've crocheted your stress ball. Great job!